Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. From this article, you will learn all about the beautiful country, Greece. Let's get started. Greece, a sun-kissed land of ancient wonders and breathtaking beauty, calls young adventurers to explore its captivating history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. From the busy streets of Athens to the serene islands of the Aegean Sea, Greece offers a unique and unforgettable experience for all. Step back in time and immerse yourself in the world of Greek mythology as you wander through the majestic ruins of the Acropolis. Marvel at the iconic Parthenon Temple, a masterpiece of ancient architecture that has stood the test of time. Explore the ancient city of Delphi, once considered the center of the world, and learn about the prophecies of the oracle. For a dose of athletic history, visit Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games, and imagine the thrill of ancient athletes competing in the original stadium. Greece is a paradise for island lovers. Santorini, with its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets, is a dream destination for many. Take a boat trip to the volcanic island of Nia Kameni, hike to the top of the volcano, and witness the stunning views of the caldera. Explore the Palace of Knossos, a vast archaeological site that was once the heart of the Minoan civilization. Discover the legend of the Minotaur and the labyrinth, and imagine the intricate corridors that once housed the mythical creature. Greece boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The crystal-clear waters of the Aegean and Ionian Seas are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Relax on sun-soaked beaches, build sandcastles, or try your hand at water sports like windsurfing and kayaking. For a truly unique experience, take a boat trip to a secluded cove or a nearby island. Greek cuisine is a delicious blend of fresh, flavorful ingredients. From savory moussaka to sweet baklava, there's something to satisfy every palate. Don't miss the opportunity to try gyros, souvlaki, and other traditional Greek dishes. Indulge in the local olive oil, honey, and wine, which are renowned for their exceptional quality. The Greek people are known for their warm hospitality and love of life. They are always happy to share their culture and traditions with visitors. Experience the vibrant culture of Greece by attending a traditional Greek festival or watching a folk dance performance. Visit museums, art galleries, and historical sites to learn more about the country's rich history. Greece offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply relaxing on a beautiful beach, Greece is sure to leave a lasting impression on young adventurers. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned 1. Greece offers a unique opportunity to explore ancient civilizations, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. The Greek islands provide a diverse range of experiences, from the romantic charm of Santorini to the family-friendly fun of Crete. Greek cuisine is a celebration of fresh, flavorful ingredients and traditional recipes.